This course addresses common topics of interest in many fields of science. Most grades are from papers, PowerPoints, brochures, and alternatives to standard classroom exams. The topic of biotechnology provides an ideal venue to assist students in thinking about career options in all areas of medicine. It is a college-level course intended for students who are planning to pursue a career in health-related fields. If you have a passion for justice and solving crimes, then forensic science is for you. Be a real-life superhero when you learn to become an emergency medical technician.
Interested in being a doctor, nurse, or another form of medical practitioner? Reach for the stars. The universe is yours in astronomy. Want to be an engineer but not sure where to begin? Explore chemical, civil, mechanical, electrical, and many more fields in careers in engineering. Be a part of the solution. Ensure a better future for our planet with green technology and energy for the future.
Take flight and learn about aircraft structures, flight controls, and much more. Students will learn how to design, plan, and implement objects using 3D printing, CNC routers, and laser engraving. Students expand on units in electricity, machine design, power transmissions, pneumatics, computer controls, and programming.